Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Rogue transmission fluid. This is a critical maintenance task for your vehicle's longevity, but it requires precision and the correct fluid. Using anything other than genuine Nissan NS2 or NS3 CVT fluid can lead to serious and costly transmission damage. This procedure is best suited for experienced do-it-yourselfers due to its specific requirements. Before you begin, ensure you have all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need a clean drain pan, new crush washers for the drain plug, and a reliable torque wrench. A fluid pump is essential for refilling, along with a 38mm socket. Most importantly, acquire genuine Nissan NS2 or NS3 CVT fluid. You'll typically need about 5 to 6 quarts. First, warm your engine slightly, then safely lift and support your Nissan Rogue. Locate the transmission drain plug, remove it, and allow all the old fluid to drain completely into your pan. Once drained, reinstall the plug with a new crush washer, torquing it to 25 foot-pounds. Now, use your fluid pump to carefully add the new, genuine Nissan CVT fluid through the dipstick tube. After refilling, start your engine and carefully shift through all gears, pausing for a few seconds in each. With the engine still running, check the fluid level using the dipstick. The fluid should register between the hot marks on the dipstick. If it's low, add small amounts of fluid gradually until the correct level is achieved, ensuring optimal transmission performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.